What's going on, everyone? This is a July 29th update on the status of my $500,000 portfolio that I'm trading to $5 million. For the week, I am up $13,400 and up $66,000 since I started this series in June. The biggest winner this week is AMD and is up 11.4% or $3,500. AMD reported banner earnings 2 days ago, where it destroys the best earning estimates that the analysts have. And what's even more incredible is that if what is said during the earnings call is accurate, then AMD's earning next quarter will blow out this earnings quarter. I've said this in my other videos. AMD and Intel are in a niche where it's really a zero-sum game, and AMD is just taking Intel's market share away. Unfortunately, Intel's technology is just so far behind AMD. There's nothing that they can do in the short term. So it's not a matter of whether AMD would take market share from Intel, but rather how much market share AMD would take from Intel. And outside of AMD, the other big winner is my IWM January 2022 calls with a strike price of 214. IWM is still showing strength this week and is now trading at $222. Although I am still bullish on IWM, short-term wise, the amount of news regarding Delta variant and its impact on our society is negatively affecting small cap stocks and acts as a downward force against small cap stocks. So if IWM opens up tomorrow, then I may consider selling my IWM calls and waiting a few days for the price to readjust before buying the IWM calls again. I'm currently up 32%, so if I were to take a profit, I'd be happy with taking a 32% profit on the IWM calls I bought only 2 weeks ago. Outside of IWM and AMD, the other big tech winner is Google, which also reported banner earnings. Amazon is down 1% this week, but what is not shown in this schedule is price movement after hours, which includes a 7% drop after Amazon's earnings. Although were very good, disappointed some of the outlandish expectations that some of the experts have. I am bullish on Amazon. In fact, I'm considering selling an Amazon put and collecting a premium because I believe that $3,300 is a discount for Amazon. Outside of tech, the biggest winner this week is Aflac, followed by ExxonMobil, Pfizer, and Philip Morris. Each of these stocks are up over 3%. Aflac being the best out of the group, being up 4.5%. Exxon is reporting earnings tomorrow, and I'm interested in hearing how Exxon is navigating the post-COVID oil and gas landscape. I showed two options since I last updated my video. One is the Apple September 3rd expiration put with a strike price of $136, and I earned a $140 premium for selling that option. The second one is the First Solar FSLR September 3rd put with $78 as a strike price. As you may recall, I previously sold a First Solar covered call with a strike price of $82 that was called away. Now I'm selling a $78 put. Basically, if First Solar dips to $78, I'm now willing to buy the stock at $78, which is $4 a share cheaper than when my cover call was called away. Looking ahead, tomorrow doesn't look like to be a good day after Amazon's earnings disappointed analysts. As of the recording of this video, NASDAQ 100 futures is down 1%. Tomorrow, in addition to selling Amazon puts, I'm also looking at AMD. If AMD stock continues to soar, then I would consider selling a cover call on AMD. I've said it in my other video that I think AMD is going to hit 120 by November. However, there is nothing wrong with making a small hedge, selling a 10% out of the market cover call on AMD with an expiration of say 30 to 45 days to earn a premium which can be used as a partial hedge against a price downturn. Let me know in the comments what your trading strategies are heading into Friday and next week. As always, thank you for watching, and please hit the like and subscribe buttons.